Hi, you are watching Best Gaming PC Case Reviews. Number 5. Corsair Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven Corsair build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice. For an immaculate, high-performance PC, the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel. Number 4. MUSETEX6 PC's 120mm ARGB Fans. The upper and lower parts are equipped with dust-proof filters, which can effectively prevent dust from entering the case and keep it fresh and cool. 6 MVP 120mm RGB dual light loop LED fans. Pre-installed in this PC gaming case, 3x front, 2x top, 1x rear, up to 360mm. Long liquid cooling radiator at front. Number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox. Polygonal mesh features a 3-dimensional contour and is also capable of simultaneously providing high airflow and dust filtration. Ma crystalline tempered glass. Side panel dons a crystalline design. Precision engineered for strength, as well as aesthetics. Support for up to 7,120mm fans. Number 2. Corsair IQRGB Mid-Tower. Combining stylish tempered glass, customizable RGB lighting, innovative cable management and concentrated airflow. Choose the 4000X RGB for a unique, high-performance PC. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered glass side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. Number 1. NZXT H510 Elite Premium Mid-Tower. USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel makes it easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, and the latest peripherals to your PC. Smart Device V2 includes 2 HUE2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support 0 decibels modes for voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Thanks for watching our video. If want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.